to say that your Hoover Windtunnel self-propelled has a weird front-rear bias. Maybe it takes off going backwards. Maybe it takes off going too fast going forwards. So how do you go and adjust the front-rear bias? Well, this one's actually a little easier to do than the Kirby. What you've got is this little adjustment screw right here. So I'm using a TX25, and you put it in there, loosen it, and then you make whatever adjustments you actually need by moving the handle back and forth. You're going to have to fiddle with this just a little bit. It's going to be a little difficult to describe. Jam it more this way and lock it down and slip the little wire, this particular direction or that particular direction. Because to be honest with you, there's a lot of factors involved here. You've got to take into account the wear of the mechanism itself. You have to take into account the resistance of the carpet that you're using. And, well, maybe even how grabby the brush roll is, because the bristles will make a difference as well. And you'll just have to kind of go back and forth. You loosen it up, you make your adjustment, tighten it back down again, but don't break it. And then go and try it out. So I now have this one set for this particular carpet and this particular machine age. So let's try it out. I'm going to start and do an initial test with the carpet height adjustment on high. I just want to see what it does, what kind of contact I'm getting with the brush roll in its current condition. Might be good, might be terrible. But this only has 3 adjustments. So I want to see what this does. Depending on what it does, I'll have to probably bump it down into the middle position. All right, so let's see what happens. First real run. Well, that seemed to be pretty good. Anything coming out? Some back here. Yeah, there's a little bit back here. Probably can't see it, a little off camera, but without me shaking it, that was really it. And that was on its highest position. That's interesting. Okay. Now let's finish this up. So one thing I definitely have to look into is the the lights right here, because it's just set on dirty all the time. So the sensor in there must be completely clogged, blocked, wire fell off. I'm not really too sure exactly.